Hey, Neha, do you have a red shirt? Yes, I do. I wear it on Fridays. Where did you get it? I bought it online. Why? I'm looking for one. I only have blue and white shirts. You should check the new store near the school. There is a section with great shirts. Really? Is it expensive? Not at all. There are many affordable options. Cool. Do you have a bicycle? No, I don't. I have a scooter. Lucky you. I only have a skateboard. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a dog. His name is Bruno. That's so nice. I have a cat. She loves sleeping in weird places. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have a younger brother. He's in class 6. I have two sisters. One is in college and the other is in class 10. That's a big family. So, do you have a laptop? Yes, I do. I use it mostly for schoolwork. Same here. I also have a tablet, but I rarely use it. Do you have any books by Ruskin Bond? Yes, I have 3. There is one I really love. It's about the hills. I think I have only one. There is a story about a ghost that I liked. Do you have a school diary? I did, but I lost it. Now there is just a mess in my bag. Okay, I have mine, but there are too many notes and reminders. By the way, is there any homework for science? No, I don't think so. But there is a test next Monday. Oh no, I forgot. I haven't studied at all. Don't worry, I have some good notes. I'll share them with you. That's great. You always have everything I need. Maybe. Anyway, let's go. There is only 5 minutes left before class. Yeah, let's go. Thanks, Neha.